Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I want to show you guys how I got this tie-dye look using the Juvias palette. And honey, these colors are popping, okay? Let's get started. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer. You guys might be like, dang, she using all that concealer. I know, it's only because I have to. Because I want my eyes to pop, that's all. You don't want to wait too long to blend it because it will dry on you. So make sure y'all are blending that out expeditiously, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my colors. Okay guys, so first color I'm gonna use is the Kano. And the Kano is in my favorite palette, which is the Warriors palette. It is this brown right here is what we're gonna be using. And that's just our base color right now. We're gonna build on top of that color. And I'm just using that color because it's easier for this color to match into my actual skin of my brow. So it's gonna tie all the other colors in together. So that's why I'm starting off with that color. Okay, first color. Ooh, baby. I got a variety over here. I'm looking at a full course meal, okay? So I think I'm gonna start with purple. Thank you. This palette does not have any names, so therefore I don't have to, you know, mess them up. So I'm starting off with the only purple in this palette. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with this pink color right next to the purple. And I just dab everything on before I start to blend it. So you just see me dabbing it on, that's all. Haven't blended it yet, but. And I'm doing it in spots because I really want it to show a layered way. Okay, next color I'm going in with is going to be this bluish color right here. I'm going to use that color. And I'm actually gonna put this color on the outer part right here as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend those in. Now I'm trying to get these colors to match with what I'm wearing, and I will insert a clip for you guys of what I'm wearing so that you can see why I chose these colors. So there is also another blue in this palette, and it is right here. It has a little glitter in there. I'm going to use that color now. And I'm gonna apply some more concealer. So going in with that glittery blue, so cute. I'm gonna use that towards the outer part of my eye. Now you just want to make sure you blend that out. This is cute. It's cute. So I'm saving the best for last. I have that yellow, and I'm gonna go ahead and use another brush to apply that yellow right here in the corner of my eye. And the yellow is right here at the top. That's the one I'm gonna be using. Okay guys, I almost forgot. I want to add a little bit of this green as well. So I'm gonna do that at the end of my eye. This green is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, y'all, these colors is popping. Like, come on, Juvias. Like, what's up? Y'all, I'm gonna have to zoom in so y'all can see, but I love the way that this turned out. It definitely matches what I'm wearing today. The scrunchie, yes, okay. I'm coordinated today, all right? I'm ready, okay? Okay guys, here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe for more content like this. New content will be posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And remember, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself.